Happy Saturday, everybody. Looking forward to giving you a little tour, show you what we've got going on with the showroom. So, right here, this is where we're gonna have all our door displays. Along the walls, we'll have door slabs, and then out here in the floor space, we'll have really nice product from companies like Western and Panda that'll have some sun mountain, really nice entry doors, French doors, and big sliding glass doors. Move around here, you'll see the conference room. We'll have a panoramic door here, panoramic doors out of Texas. Looking for a big sun mountain door here, French door on this entry, and over here a Provia French door on this entry, and a Western pocket slider. So this door will slide into the wall and you'll hide the panels. Really nice. This outside here, we'll have our sliding glass door displays, a lot of 2-light sliders to show all the functionality, different color options and hardware options there. And then we'll have some more entry doors, full service entry doors here, as well as our video monitors. Here in the lounge, we're gonna have all this work will be milled out. It'll be a nice bar. Everything from an espresso machine to the full wine and whiskey menu, soft drinks, bottled water, anything you want. So come in and have a drink and relax in here. We'll have a TV on the wall, as well as sectional and some nice swivel chairs. So then this will be milled out as well in the corners. Going back through here, this is our flex space, and we've got some ideas, not ready to announce what's going to be going in here completely just yet, but we do plan on using it for some overflow storage and maybe even a studio until we do get started. Coming into the back side of the lab here, this is an area where we're going to do a lot of demonstrations, where we'll have all of our color selections, our hardware selections, anything like a corner cut, or if we want to test glass and be able to show what the use of that glass space is. And we'll also have a monitor there on that wall. So it's a big space. We'll have some drafting tables. Be a nice place to visit, also to learn a lot about Windows and make sure that you're making the right selection. We're going to walk past what will be our reception desk here. And there we have the vestibule. That's where our big Western pivot door will be for the entrance, with some nice side lights. Same thing here with some Provia doors on either side. And then the ends will have nice pass-through windows, perfect for anybody who has a pool and wants to be able to pass things from the kitchen outside to the deck or the pool. And then we will have our window displays on this side. Just like on the other side with the doors, we will have windows that will be hinged to the walls and display, as well as floor displays. Kind of a mess right now. We got a lot of stuff still from demo that we've got, and we're trying to find a place to repurpose. Obviously, we want to recycle wherever we can. Coming here, we see the offices. This is my office, and you'll see the bay window to the front. On this side, we have a closet, and all of these will be outfitted with doors and windows by companies that we represent. So here are offices down this hallway for our staff, as well as the conference room for employees. This is different than the conference room for everybody else. So looking back through, you can see through the lab, you can see the conference room that are for guests. That's for architects, builders, designers, anybody who's here that wants to meet with their clients and talk about the products we have, or just wants to meet with their clients about something completely different altogether. It's there for everybody to use. But this near conference room that I'm showing you now, this is for our employees. This is where we'll have our meetings and our trainings. And then as we go down the hallway, this is a common workspace area where our product specialists can come in and get some work when they're not out in the field helping you guys out. And then finally, through the back, we have our warehouse. And we have our employee rooms back there, as well as some storage in addition to the warehousing. And then down that back hallway that you see past the ladders, that's where our 3 restrooms are, men's, women's, and an ADA bathroom. So quite a bit has been happening, and we're really excited about it. I hope that you guys are too, and look forward to having you in here soon when it's open this fall. Great.